Hello YouTube friends, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create a basic animated graph using Desmos. Now let's say we have the graph of y equals sine x and we want to animate it from 0 to 12 pi. How would we do this? Well, firstly we'd have to set the boundaries of y equals sine x for x between 0 and the variable t, which we will work with very shortly. So let's set this boundary in brackets like this. I'm going to say that x is equal or greater than 0 and less than or equal to t, like this. Next, I'm going to add a slider for t, and I'm going to click over here, and I'm going to make t equal to or greater than 0 and less than or equal to 12 pi, just like this. So now that the important bits are out of the way, we can now work on the animation, and you can change the animation by clicking over here, going to Animation Properties. Now I'm going to select this option over here, repeating in one direction. I'm also going to reduce the speed to 0.75 times, okay? And if I click here, I'm going to see this animation play out. And this is what it looks like. As you can see, it's working perfectly fine and we have a really good animation. If you like this video and you want more mathematics content like this, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already done so. If you're interested in regular mathematics proofs, visit mathematics.proofs on Instagram. Here I post proofs to this page nearly every day. So I'll see you there if you want more mathematics proofs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.